How to change nicknames on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change nicknames in Instagram chats. Whether you want to update it for fun or just switch things up, it's super simple. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and head over to the direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon at the top right corner. Next, select the chat where you want to change the nickname. Once you are in the chat, tap on the person's name or the eye icon in the top right corner to open the chat settings. Now, tap on nicknames. Here, you will see both your name and your friend's name. Tap on the one you want to change and type in the new nickname and hit save. The updated nickname will now show up in your chat. And that's all it takes to change nicknames on Instagram. It's a fun way to keep your chats personalized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.